This is not a drinking competition. See, our competition today is who can burp the best. And I don't actually ever burp unless I'm drinking beer. You're screwed, pig. You're screwed.
This is who can do a bigger burp. Pretty much, we each have 10 minutes. I can burp on demand, so yeah, I should be alright.
I've got strategies.
You want to go first, or? Alright, go. Oh yeah, and that epic burp you just did before, it's not vital time.
That sucks. I need a safety bucket. It's in my nose. I vomited a bit in my mouth.
Yeah,
I'm not even enjoying these beers. Cheers. Safety bucket. I'm getting old. Too old for this shit. I might need to poo soon.
Poo?
Dude, it's like 5 minutes down.
There's froth in it. There's head. There's head on my... I hate this. Snot.
Get the safety bucket ready. Nine minutes. Last minute.
I need to poo. I need to poo so bad. Oh, I'm turtlenecking. Oh, there's no seat. Oh.
It's not who can fart bigger, dude.
Oh. Record that one.
10 seconds.
Oh.
Count down 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Time up. Hey dude, you feeling pretty confident now?
No, I don't feel too good at all, man. That was pretty epic what I did in there.
Is it still in there or you flushed it?
No, I flushed.
Oh.
Fucking hell,
You could have
man.
filmed that. Hey, you know what you know what could make you feel worse?
What?
This. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how some people are not ticklish? Are not nipple cripplish? Are you? Oh, I think he is. I think he is.
Ah, it's right.
Win! Record that as a win!
That was a
for
fun
me.
competition.
That was a win for me! 2 wins for me!
Drunk Shillie.
2 wins!
That wasn't a
I should have
competition.
been drunk for every competition. I would have won them all if I was drunk. Fucking dance and be like... fucking speedy legs. Because fucking superpowers and shit. Okay? actually, we should make that as a rule from now on. I have to be like really drunk for every competition so that I win all the time. Gay chicken would totally have owned you, man. I would have like bet you ever started fucking you if I was drunk, man. Because I'm drunk and I don't give a fuck. That would have been a win for me.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, mate.
Start.
Wow.
Oh, what?
It's good.
Punch him in the stomach, Shillie.
Swelling air. What do you think of that? Holy shit.
King of the birds.
Two minutes.
That's gotta be the win.
It's only 2 minutes, dude. 8 to go.
If you want.
Oh my god.
Do the alphabet.
Music.
Yeah, how are we rating this? Is it the longer burp or the more powerful burp? Oh, okay, that's gotta win. That's awesome.
Eight. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 1. That's it.
Hey, it's a good word.
Nah, I know you.
Ah!
This guy.
Nah,
We would have
seriously.
seen that coming.
Seriously, man.
Shake this bitch. Even if I had lost the competition, if I had have finished 6 beers in 10 minutes, that would have been pretty sick.
Well, you want to count that as a competition win too?
I already beat you at nipple cripples.
That doesn't count as a victory, you moron.
Yeah, it does. Being a cripple helps. Win.
It's not a win.
And who is the more awesome guy competition? Oh, obviously, yeah. Me. Did you guys get my poo on tape?
Yep.
Only the sound of it.
That's pretty epic, man. Like, yeah.
What, now you want to say who did the bigger
Yeah,
poo
exactly.
competition?
Who did the bigger poo competition? I won. The thing was like an infinite rope coming out of my ass.
I hope this competition.
It's like a fucking, it's like a clown's trick. And then fucking more clowns jumped out of my hole like it was a mini.
We should like have this as a. Oh, we have a competition: pig versus Shillie. This is pig versus drunk Shillie.
Drunk Shillie wins, man.